Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some active weather across the area this morning. We have been in and out of a lightning warning this morning and currently have been able to cancel that. We are still in a lightning advisory as we do have some lightning just off the coast and seeing a possibility of that being within 10 nautical miles in the next 20 minutes. Most likely we'll be able to cancel that advisory here coming up in the next half an hour or so, and possibly sooner than that. You can see we do have a bit of a dry slot in the activity off to our southwest. We see some heavier rainfall and even an embedded thunderstorm off to the north and west. And we're going to be seeing active weather today. Slight chances of thunderstorms as we move in the afternoon hours. Looks like it's going to be more of a pop-up variety thunderstorm activity, but we'll see showers in and out of the region for the remainder of the day today. So we do have an upper level disturbance over the region. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, our upper level winds, and then we'll get to surface analysis. Freezing level at 14,700 feet, winds out northwest around 20 knots, the low levels, then becoming more westerly to southwesterly above 3,000 feet, and increasing with height up to 32 knots at 20,000 feet this morning. So here's our surface analysis. We have this upper level disturbance over the region as well as a weak area of low pressure that's giving us this active weather this morning. We have Tropical Storm Henri off the coast. This trough that's currently across the western Mid-Atlantic and eastern Ohio Valley is going to influence Henri to move up the coast off our coastline, but then looks like it's going to come back into New England once we move into this weekend. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see lots of cloud cover across the region, seeing a little bit of a break in the clouds just off to our south and to our west, but seeing a good amount of that rainfall, as I mentioned this morning, and looking at the radar, seeing a little bit of break in the activity off over central Virginia. Possibly going to see that move towards the region this afternoon. That's why we'll have a return to our instability and a chance of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms. So looking at our HRRR model for today, in the next 48 hours, you can see those showers trying to pop up this afternoon, and looks like the HRRR is indicating around 3 o'clock this afternoon could be seeing some showers and thunderstorms across the region. Going to run about 25% chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms over the area this afternoon, but going to see those rain showers I mentioned in and out of the region. Any of those showers today or thunderstorms could contain some heavier rain, and we could be seeing some low-lying flooding across the region. As we move into tonight, going to see some tropical moisture starting to rotate in off the ocean well out in front of Tropical Storm Henri, and that's going to give us a chance of some showers and even a thunderstorm overnight. And you can see here how the HRRR brings those showers near the coastline and possibly inland overnight. As we move into our Saturday, going to see some showers and thunderstorms popping up over the region, and you can see Henri starting to develop. Looks like tomorrow is going to be the best chance for Henri to become a hurricane. As shear will relax, it'll have some baroclinic forcing from this upper level low over the Mid-Atlantic states. It'll be feeding off the Gulf Stream waters, so looking like some good factors for this system to strengthen into a hurricane tomorrow, possibly later today if the shear does relax enough. And you can see here on the HRRR model, bringing those showers and thunderstorms into our region tomorrow, and then seeing some possibly shower and thunderstorm activity moving through for Saturday night into Sunday. And you can see how the HRRR brings Henri into New York City, very close to New York City over Long Island, and continuing with the shower activity across northern Delmarva for our Sunday, and more pop-up variety showers and thunderstorms for Sunday afternoon here at Wallops. I do want to mention the HRRR is not a hurricane model, so take a grain of salt when you're looking at this, and most likely the track will be a bit north of this across eastern Long Island into possibly Rhode Island or Massachusetts for Saturday into Sunday. So taking a look at the Euro, next few days, here's our weather today with those rainy conditions, and then continuing chances of rainfall for Saturday into Sunday. You can see Henri here moving off our coastline, but we'll have that tropical connection with the upper level low over the Mid-Atlantic into the Ohio Valley that's going to allow for us to see plentiful moisture and good forcing for showers and thunderstorms in the next few days. You can see how the Euro brings Henri into New England, into Massachusetts or Rhode Island on Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon, weakening as it does so, as this will be well north of the warm waters of the Gulf Stream. So looks like it should become a hurricane across the Gulf Stream tomorrow, and then weaken possibly back into a tropical storm, depending on how much baroclinic forcing will be allowed to or over the system on Sunday to weaken that system in a tropical storm, possibly remaining a weak hurricane as it makes landfall into New England. So for our Wallops weather, looking at continued chances of showers on Sunday, and then into Monday, going to see more chances of showers and thunderstorms across the region, that upper level low kind of plaguing us with some unsettled conditions. And finally, Tuesday looks like we'll see only a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm along the sea breeze boundary, seeing the heat return on Tuesday. And then into Wednesday, once again, possibly seeing some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Right now, looks like Tuesday and Wednesday should remain dry. Being this far out, looks like the model's most likely overdoing the shower and thunderstorm activity on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, going to have to watch the tropics again next week, as we'll have a disturbance rolling towards the southeastern United States. We're going to have continue to monitor this. Looks like it should be a weak disturbance, not a tropical storm or depression, but we'll continue to monitor. It could be giving us some extra tropical moisture for the end of next week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, those showers and thunderstorms likely this morning, then chances or slight chances this afternoon, high around 82, low tonight at 72, better chance of rainfall overnight with that tropical moisture moving in off the Atlantic, giving us a better chances of rainfall, still slight chances of thunderstorms. Overall, today we're going to see some unsettled conditions, as I've mentioned, 30% chance of thunderstorms from now till noon, and then we're going to see a 25% from noon till 1800 local, chances of rainfall throughout the day today as well, a 40% chance of thunderstorms after 2200 local until 6 local on Saturday, and then a slight chance thereafter with showers in the vicinity by tomorrow morning, some low-level cloud cover as well. Should see some of that low-level cloud cover break up for this afternoon, and should see VFR conditions for a good amount of the afternoon today, but we'll see those lower ceilings if we do have that thunderstorm pop up overhead. So unsettled conditions today, not the best day for any outdoor activities to end the work week. As far as our tides go, we'll see slightly above normal tides, and Saturday and Saturday overcast to mostly cloudy, showers and thunderstorms likely, especially during the afternoon. Some of the rain could be heavy at times, high of 81. Saturday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of a rain shower and a slight chance of a thunderstorm, low of 72. And for Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and a thunderstorm, high of 84. Going with oranges here for our rainfall. Best chance will be on Saturday, as well as the lightning. With Henri moving off the coast, going to continue to keep the showers in the likely category here. Slight chances of thunderstorms across the region. So looking at our next 7 days, so the unsettled conditions will continue through Monday, it looks like. Temperatures in the lower to mid 80s, seeing a bit more humid and warm conditions for Sunday and a Monday. It will be still humid for today and tomorrow, just not as warm, with a 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday afternoon, 50% for Sunday, and then a 30% of isolated pop-up variety showers and thunderstorms for Monday. Looks like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday should remain dry, warmer and more humid conditions to hot conditions. As I mentioned on Thursday, we'll continue to monitor the tropics for possible tropical wave moving towards the region. A little bit cooler as we'll have more cloud cover, but still humid across the region. So taking a look at Henri and the current conditions as of 8 o'clock, I see a north-northwesterly direction at 9 miles an hour, maximum sustained winds at 65 miles an hour. As you can see here, the Hurricane Center does have it as a hurricane by 2 o'clock Saturday, but the system will continue to move up towards New England. As I mentioned, the had it moving into New York City. You can see the cone of uncertainty is outside of that and east of that area, so the Hurricane Center feels confident that the system is going to move towards New England into Connecticut, Rhode Island, or Massachusetts. Taking a look at our current visible imagery of Henri, you can see that northerly shear allowing for the low-level circulation to be exposed. This shear should weaken some as it moves north and gets more baroclinic, forcing from that trough, and it should become a better environment for some strengthening tomorrow. And taking a quick look at the hurricane models as of the 12Z runs, you can see it does have that turn to it in some of the models towards New York City, but most of the hurricane models and the agreement with the National Hurricane Center taking it more northward and not that northwestern turn. We'll continue to monitor this. Not really going to give us much weather at Wallops other than some higher swells and higher waves, as well as some rip currents and some more tropical moisture for some daytime thunderstorms. But otherwise, just a fairly rare occurrence for a New England landfalling hurricane. Been about 30 years since that's occurred. So interesting feature to talk about. But I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning for your 8:15 and your 10 a.m. outlooks.